Alright y'all, so this is going to be my first shopping trip. I'm starting off with $18 in extra bucks, and I'm going to flip them all to get $13 back in extra bucks for my next trips. And I'm just going to keep flipping the extra bucks. I'm going to show you how to flip the rewards so that you don't have to pay anything out of pocket once you get started. Right now, I'm just walking the store showing you the deals that they have and what I'm planning on getting. And then at the end of my transaction, I have a screenshot of my exact budget breakdown, how I break it down with the coupons so I can plan my scenario for when I go on my shopping trip. If you've never shopped with CVS, they do actually have their own digital coupons. You can stack them with manufacturer coupons. So for example, if you have a $3 off any pads, you can still stack that with a $3 off Playtex coupon that you got in the newspaper. They do also have manufacturer coupons on their app that are identical to the ones in the newspaper. You just can't stack those on top of each other.
Wow. I need to start saving coupons.
Here's just a list of my breakdown where I go in detail every single coupon I used for every single product and the price with it.
Okay, so we spent $4 out of pocket. Saved $40.
So on top, I attached every single product so you could see if you had it in your store too, and then the coupons that removed, and I also showed you guys my extra bucks I earned with this purchase. Okay, so before I go in, I want to show y'all my coupons I'm going to use. So I'm going to use one of the $2 off any lip and also the $3 off any eye from Almay. So I think I might use those. I also have these extra bucks that I got from last transaction. So I have a $3 and a $10. And then maybe, possibly, some of these Tide or Game. So let's go. Okay, so here's a little screenshot of the ad. I always go through the ad and circle which items I want to use or which coupons or extra bucks I want to earn that week. So Almay, spend $12, get $4 back. They also had Physicians Formula, spend $15, get $10 back. So I knew I had all my coupons I wanted to stack with that so I could flip my bucks. They're also having a clearance sale this week, so I added that into this video just in case you guys wanted to pick up some of those items as well. I didn't have any coupons for the Physicians Formula, but it was spend 15, get 10, and I did have a $4 off of $20 in cosmetics I can use with that and the Almay. And I circled all the coupons I was planning on using. These were just downloaded onto my card. I just didn't use the 3 off of 15. Alright y'all, so this is everything I ended up getting for $3.78. I spent about 50 cents on each item. So here's my receipt. All the coupons I used. It was 91% savings, saved 36 bucks, and then I got $14 back to use for next time. So what I ended up getting today, Physicians Formula. Buy $15 in Physicians, get $10 back. This was $14.99. They have a 2% rule, so as long as it's within the 2% of the total price for the extra bucks, you'll still get them. And then I got the Almay eyeshadow quad. This one was $7.29. I had a $2 off. Actually, I had a $3 off for any Almay eye in the newspaper that I clipped out. The Almay lipstick, I had a $2 off any Almay lip I clipped from the newspaper. I also had a $3 off any Almay lip product clipped on my card at CVS. And then these were the clearance finds. These two were 44 cents each, the little apple cinnamon. The two candles were 75% off also. They were 74 cents each. So the total came out to about $40. Before coupons and extra bucks, and then once I applied everything, it came out to $3. I also had a $4 off any 20 in cosmetics. This is the Almay coupon. I was talking about the $3. The 2 and 3 on top, those are the ones I clipped from the newspaper. The $10 manufacturer, those were my extra bucks. These guys that I had from last time. I also had $3 extra bucks because every 30 that you spend, I'm getting out of breath. Every 30 that you spend in makeup, you get $3 back. So I'm also going to get $3 back from this. So it'll be a total of 17 extra bucks back. And then another $3 extra buck that I had. And then I had a 40% off one item. They usually send you that coupon every Thursday if you check your email. Okay, so last trip, I didn't get to record too much in the store because I had Zane with me. But I just wanted to show y'all that it was spend 20 in household, get $5 back. Okay, so this is from my last haul. These were $4.94 each. spend 20, get 5 back. I had a $1 off coupon for each of the Gain, and then $2 off of the Tide. And then I also had a $10 in extra bucks, a $4 in extra bucks, and another $2 that was sent to my card from an email. They just sent me out $2 in extra bucks, and I applied them all, and it came down to 0. It actually, before taxes, came to $14.76. So I planned on only using my $10 and my $4, but she applied the digital that was on my card. So it didn't even take the whole $4. Like, it only took $2 from it, as you can see from the receipt. But whatever, because it was free, and I still got $5 back from next time. And then I'm waiting on my beauty bucks from my Almay purchase to hit my card, and I'll have $8 in extra bucks to go towards next week. That wraps it up for my trips for the last couple days. I hope y'all enjoyed shopping with me. I will try to make this a thing where I record my couponing, because I do go almost every day, and then I'll just post it on my channel, so look forward to that. Bye.